we're looking at cases rising at a very high percentage, not in absolute numbers right now, but the percentage of rise in these states like Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, etc. is really high. Would you say this then tells us, and there is a direct link to tourism that we saw in those states in the past 1 month or so?
Yes, so I think like we've been saying that the pandemic is not over and we need to prevent events which can be super spreading events. We need to really aggressively follow COVID appropriate behavior. And if you have an event which is a super spreading event, the effect of that usually occurs 2 to 3 weeks later because that is the usual incubation period and the cases will rise later on. So that is why one is still concerned about the non-essential travel that happens in terms of tourism, in terms of other activities. And I would still appeal to everyone that our cases are not down. The pandemic is not over. Therefore, please follow COVID appropriate behavior. Don't allow events which can be super spreading events to happen. And especially when we look at tourism, where we have huge number of people gathering in certain tourist spots without wearing masks, forming crowds. One person out there who's infectious can spread the infection to a large number of people, and they will then carry that infection to other areas and give it to the locals in that area also. And that is what is happening in different parts of the country.